You are beautiful. You are kind. You are patient. You are strong. You are healthy. You are growing. You are growing a lot. Hey, y'all. Thanks for joining me. You guys just caught me talking to Sophia. Yes, Sophia is my hair. If you did not know, Miss Tabitha Brown said to name your hair so that you could talk to it. And you guys, that's exactly what I did. And I have to tell you, it is working. And the reason why it's working so well is because I've been able to take the frustration from the lack of results that I've been getting with this natural hair and this journey that I've been on. And I have been diverting it to meaningful, productive communication and understanding with this hair. So that way I know exactly what Miss Sophia needs. Okay, we all know with frustration, a lot of times we get to that point, we're frustrated, we just don't see things clearly, right? So I decided to name this hair so that I could talk to it. And you guys, I have been super diligent with this hair. And as a matter of fact, the other day I was putting some conditioner on it and I was just checking to see how Sophia was responding to it, to see if it looked moisturized, to see if it looked shiny and silky. And all of a sudden, Miss Sophia said to me, "Girl, you are doing it with the outside of this hair. Well, what are you doing for the inside?" Didn't I tell you that talking to your hair thing actually does work? I have been going all in with the outside of this hair. Product after product, conditioning, deep conditioning masks, two-strand twists, protective styles, you name it, I've been doing it to try to get the best results out of this hair that I possibly can. And just the other day, because I decided to talk to this hair instead of being frustrated with it, I heard Sophia say, "Girl, you need to put some stuff on the inside too." So guys, I need your help. Leave in the comments below if you are taking a multivitamin that helps give you the vitamins and the minerals and the supplements that you need in order to have healthy, strong, growing hair. And also if there are any hair vitamins that you guys are taking where you have achieved great results, leave that in the comments for me, because Sophia is absolutely right. I am not taking care of the inside. So what you put on the inside definitely will show on the outside. So again, leave your comments below. Share with the girl what you've been doing so that I will know what I need to feed Miss Sophia. You guys, thank you again so much for joining me. And again, leave those comments. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to purchase me some multivitamins. I'm going to purchase me some hair vitamins, and I am going to start taking that, and I'm going to see, okay, what kind of results I get from that. But again, thanks again for joining me. I'll let you know what I end up doing. Guys, be safe out there. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and keep talking to that hair. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say too. Thank you all so much for joining me.